Good afternoon and welcome to the weekly weather briefing for the Inland Northwest from the National Weather Service in Spokane for Monday, February 12th. Over the next several days, we'll see plenty of winter weather and a big swing in temperatures. The cold, dry pattern we're seeing today will stick around until late Tuesday when a significant winter storm moves in, dropping a good deal of snow over the region. We'll see mountain snow return by the end of the week, along with some breezy winds Saturday. And after that, another Arctic front brings temperatures down drastically to begin next week. So here's a look at the low temperatures we expect tonight. You'll see many areas will drop into the teens and even the single digits for those farther north. The most impactful weather of the week will certainly be the long-awaited return of low-elevation snow to the valleys of eastern Washington and northern Idaho Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. Snowfall will begin late Tuesday night with the greatest accumulations occurring on Wednesday morning. This will have a big effect on the Wednesday morning commute, especially since it has been so long since Spokane has seen a significant snowfall. Snow showers will continue through the day Wednesday off and on for most of the affected area and into Wednesday night in the Idaho Panhandle before tapering off. So the previous slide showed the official snowfall forecast from Tuesday night through Wednesday night. This slide shows the percentage chance of various accumulation amounts. For example, if we look at Spokane will have an 82% chance of seeing 2 inches or more of snow in the top left. In the bottom graphic, you see the percent chance of 4 inches or greater for Spokane is 60%. And in the top right, if we're looking at 6 inches of snow or greater, Spokane has a 31% chance of achieving that. As such, we have issued a winter storm watch for the highlighted areas in effect from late Tuesday evening through Wednesday morning. It will extend into Wednesday afternoon for the central Panhandle Mountains. This will taper off on Thursday before returning to the mountains on Friday, mainly for the Cascade Crest and the areas of the central Idaho Panhandle highlighted in blue. The rest of the region will generally be dry on Friday, but by Saturday morning, precipitation starts to expand into eastern Washington. For areas outside of the mountains, while this could start out briefly as snow for some, Saturday will be quite warm, so any low elevation snow should transition quickly to rain for Saturday. The other impactful weather on Saturday will be breezy southwest winds. We'll see winds picking up early on Saturday and peaking in the late afternoon and evening. You see here the peak wind gusts expected during the late afternoon and evening period on Saturday. This will also be our warmest day of the week. On Sunday, another Arctic front moves through, bringing back the cold temperatures and the chance of snow. By the start of next week, we should see cold and dry conditions similar to what we're seeing today. Here's a look at how those temperatures evolve throughout the week, and you can see both here in Spokane and in Wenatchee. And we'll start out cold, increasing each day generally through Saturday, and Saturday's highs will be in the 40s and 50s before dropping down significantly Sunday and Monday. And here are some Idaho locations that show a similar pattern. Looking at the state of the snowpack, the snow water equivalent numbers for northern Washington and the Idaho Panhandle continue to show most river basins in our areas are now close to or over 100% of average for this time of year. Looking further into the future, the 8 to 14 day outlooks indicate that the following week will have a good chance of colder than normal temperatures, and the overall pattern would suggest that the next few weeks will continue to be cold and unsettled, so winter is not over yet.